Woodworking for Beginners. C.G. Wheeler, 1904. Amateurs Workshop, 1904. Love it. Know what thou canst work at, and work at it like Hercules. To the youthful founders of Toilet Town, Totlet Town. There's some great images in here. Just love the sort of quest for knowledge that was going on at this time. These were important skills to have to make stuff. Sailboats, boats, houses. It was like learning the internet. Oh, look, pictures. Learning how to use AI. Cool. Okay, there you go. Woodworking for Beginners.